welcome back to one more interesting video from Trider School, the number one business freelancing school where you can learn, earn, and scale your freelancing career. So, what is this video is all about? Right now, I'm just going to give you a freelancing opportunity where you can start right now after this video because this is completely legit and I have earned money from it. How to write a product description for an e-commerce brand? Ma'am, that is like very simple. You guys may be just thinking, but I'm going to give you a simple suggestion where you can have to add two things. One is like you can add some AI features where AI will provide you with suggestions. What are the key points that needs to be added? The next is SEO optimized. You can't be writing any content that is just you think which is like very suitable for the audience. No, absolute no. You have to write what people are asking for, especially for that particular product. So how do you do this? I'm just going to give you like a four simple step. It will never take more than like 5 to 10 minutes. But if you just practice it and start approaching any e-commerce business owners, you are good to go with this particular work. You can just take this as a side hustle initially. Okay, write SEO optimized product description for all the e-commerce brands where you can do the Amazon listings also. This is very easy. I'm going to give you some one or two tools where you can use these tools and you can scale up your freelancing, especially the side hustles for 2025. Let's start this 2025 with a very simple side hustle. But you're going to grow a lot because you're going to watch all our videos where we're going to teach you how to start, how to get the quotation, how to reach out to the leads, all the points. So don't miss out any video from Trider School. Please subscribe to our channel. This is the only thing you can do it from your side, and please never ever regret this decision because you're gonna love our videos. It is completely informative, valuable. Just let us just move on to this video. So hi all, these are the four steps you have to just follow if you are creating our AI enhanced, that is our AI enhanced SEO optimized product description for any e-commerce website. I'm just going to give you a case study on how to do. If an e-commerce business owner is approaching you for any Amazon listings or for their website where you have to craft your very own product description that is based on the search intent, just follow these steps. This is like very easy. Let us just start with these four steps. Okay, one should be you should be having a very important SEO optimized title. Second is description of the product. Third is how to use, and the fourth one is benefits. Apart from that, you will be giving the manufacturing and marketing details of a particular product. But these four are very essential. So how to do it? Okay, let us just take how to do it for this particular product, a hair oil. Okay, let me put it over here. So if your client is actually selling this hair oil, how you will get the details on what people are searching for? Let me say, okay. So now you just rush to the SEMrush. There is an option called as keyword overview. Okay, better just go click on this particular option called as keyword overview. Now here you have to give the keyword or the product, the main product detail. So the main product detail is hibiscus hair oil. Okay, just click on it. Okay, can you see how many people on average people are searching per month? So around 2000. You guys can have it as a 2000 people are searching in India. What is the keyword difficulty? It is very easy. Obviously, this is like very easy. Whenever you prepare content for this, it is easily gonna run. The intent of these keywords are like informational and the transactional intent. Let me just come over here. Can you just see the questions over here? How to make, whether like what are the ingredients over there, whether it gonna give you some hair growth. Please take this question keywords into a frequently asked sections. Please put it over there. Always go to the question section. What people are asking for. You can see the top three questions, right? Please take out this and put it in the FAQs of your product descriptions. And here comes the main picture. Let me click on the keywords that are related to your client's product. Okay, can you see? I could see the keyword difficulty. It is pretty easy. People are asking mainly related to the benefits, hair growth, hair fall. So it's like curry leaves also have been added. Coconut oil has been mixed. So these are the things they have been asking. So always keep it in mind. Try to give a mix of all the keywords. So just go over here. Go to this extension AI PRM. I have already installed. Okay. For the ChatGPT. There is an option for AI PRM for ChatGPT. It is a Chrome extension. Try to install it. Okay, please install this so that you can easily use it and create product description within 5 minutes. Just you're gonna earn. I have earned. This is a very legit way, and you guys gonna do it for sure. Okay, let me now open ChatGPT. Okay, just check for product description over here. Can you see? E-commerce SEO. Whenever you have installed it, you can see so many prompts over here. Just go to the text box and search for what are the keyword, because you're going to write product description. You're never going to write blog, right? So type it as product description. There are so many prompts are there. You can click over here and give the detail. Okay. So right now I'm just giving it as hibiscus hair oil with curry leaves and coconut oil, because these are the things. And always it's not like people are just searching for, you have to introduce into it. No, if these ingredients are really into that product, then only you have to use it. Okay, it's always please follow a legit manner. Then you can add whatever key points you want and click enter. Can you see you're getting a headline, introduction, subheadings with descriptions, how to use. Yeah, giving like possible titles. Say goodbye to hair fall with our herbal hair solution. Very good. The target keywords, you can use it inside the Amazon listings also. Title, description, frequently asked questions and answers. The entire factor can be done using this one extension. If you want to see, I can just show you over here. This is how I have done it for my client. So the headline is over here, the product description is over here, and you can see the ingredients, how to use, safety and storage, all the things are right over here. Correct? So it's better you guys have to check out with the description part. So which is kind of very, very easy. Try out this technique, reach out to the e-commerce business owners. Say them you're gonna like enhance according to the SEO and AI features. Definitely, it's a legit way of earning income by writing product description. Just say me in the comment section if you have tried it and you have earned money. See you in one more series of earning money online too. Hopefully, this video was very, very useful for you all. Right after this video, you're gonna just go and just check out two things. One is the SEMrush tool where you're gonna see out for the keyword overview. The next is you have this AI PRM extension for ChatGPT where you can get a super product description for the e-commerce website. Please don't forget to subscribe it. Check it out. Thank you.